How much will 10,000 Tron be worth in 2025? I will answer this question and share my Tron price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Tron to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Tron is on place 11 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $10 billion. The coin is existent since 2017 and we saw the last important high in 2021. And after we reached this high, we then saw this move to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone. And this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. And we always came back into this demand zone. But then finally we saw this move to the upside again. We broke this last highs to the upside. And here we are at the prices right now. And now we saw the first smaller reaction in the supply zone. Because this supply zone is strong because we saw this move to the downside. And we found 2 times rejection right here. So the chance that we see a bearish reaction from here is very high. But if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then the chance is high that we can see a bullish explosion. And from this prices right now to this last high, we have a potential of 60%. And I think this potential is alright for a coin like Tron, which is on place 11 of all cryptocurrencies. So for the near future, it's very important how we react in this consolidation. We saw this longer sideways moves. And now it's really important that we see a bullish reaction. And as I said, if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then I think the chance is extremely high that we see a bullish explosion. And then I think it's really realistic that we find the last really important high very fast. But the best coins are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think Tron has the chance to also break its last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 53 cents. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 370%. And I think this is a good deal for Tron. And I think this price target is very realistic for the next bull run because when much money flows into the whole crypto market and then Tron, then the chance is high that we could see this potential to the upside again. Of course, Tron is one of the biggest coins in the crypto space with 10 billion market cap. But I think these price targets are very realistic because the market cap would be around $40 million. And I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices for Tron. But I think this is a realistic price target for the next bull run. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 10,000 Tron be worth in 2025? If we would reach this kind of price target, 10,000 Tron would be worth $5,300. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Tron. And if we can continue this bullish momentum on the total crypto market cap, then the chance is high that we can reach the last all-time high. And if enough money flows into the crypto market from retailers and big institutions, then the chance is high that we can also see even higher prices than the last all-time high. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, I think the chance is high that we can see an even larger market cap. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Tron. And I think this demand zone is very interesting because this demand zone was the start of this move to the upside we made a higher high. So if we come back into this demand zone and don't see lower levels, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to buy some coins for the long term. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because after this demand zone we saw this move to the upside. So if we also see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame right here, then I think it's definitely a great area to buy some coins. And of course, the lower the prices are, the bigger is the potential to the upside. So I think these 2 areas are great technical areas to buy some coins for the long term. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Tron, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I think Tron is a great project with also nice potential. It's one of the biggest coins in the crypto space and the potential to the upside is there. And I think potential price targets between 50 and 60 cents are very realistic for the next bull run. To answer the question from the beginning again, how much will 10,000 Tron be worth in 2025? If we would reach this kind of price targets, 10,000 Tron would be worth like $5,000 between $6,000. And I think this is a great deal for Tron. And if you want to see my alt layer price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.